So. Oh, waiting for it to go to Johnston County.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. for central Wake County. At 6:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cary and West Raleigh, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball size hail and 58 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Garner, Knightdale, Lake Benson, and Lake Wheeler. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter, inside a strong building, and away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service.
There it goes.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm
They just
warning
issued
remains
it.
in effect until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Wake, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Johnston County, southeastern Wake County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clayton, or 13 miles northwest of Smithfield, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: half-dollar size hail. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Clayton, Knightdale, Micro, Selma, Wendell, Kenley, Flowers, Emmet, and Buckhorn Reservoir. This storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Johnston and Wake. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until